Hello everyone, Tim here with Webex Events. I want to take a minute to talk about a question that came through in our face-to-face session with our support team. One of our customers asked, how do I moderate the wall feature? Now, if you're not sure, the wall feature is a simple feature in the event app that allows your attendees to post comments, post pictures, like and comment on each other's pictures, similar to any social media. Now, how do you moderate this content to make sure that it doesn't get out of control and is in line with the standards and practices of your particular event? So you want to set up a moderator, which can be any admin or editor that is set up in the Webex Events backend, the platform side of your event. You'll want to navigate to your features section and then click on the wall feature. From here, you'll be able to see all of the posts that have been made, who made them, any pictures that were shared, when they were posted, as well as any likes, comments, or if anyone has reported that individual post. The moderators can come in here and review these posts, and then using the three-dot settings menu over on the right, they can delete any posts that do not meet your standards. Any reported posts are going to live in the reported post section as well. So they'll all be grouped together to highlight those as immediate review. Once a post has been deleted, it will be immediately removed from the event app. Attendees will no longer be able to see it. Now for attendees, they can report any post they see that they don't think is appropriate using the three-dot menu beneath the post to report that content. That's how you moderate the wall feature within the event app. Now, if you're looking to moderate posts before they're shown to attendees by approving posts, that functionality does not exist within the wall feature. That only exists currently within the polling and Q&A feature in the Webex Events app. Make sure and like and subscribe so you'll be notified every time we post a new video. Check the descriptions for a link to an in-depth article about the wall feature.